Okay, sleep fact or sleep fiction.
Yeah.
Snoring is a sign that you are sleeping soundly. It's kind of a complicated one.
Yeah. Is that the answer? It's complicated?
No, there is a right answer.
Snoring is a sign that you're sleeping soundly. That is true.
That is fiction.
Oh.
Yeah, so your snoring can be a sign of sleep apnea, not always, but usually isn't a problem. Light snoring isn't a problem, but if you're snoring every night really frequently, your partner's like, hey, can you please stop snoring? Could be a sign you have sleep apnea or other disordered breathing.
I don't sleep very well then.
Yeah.